All right, what's up? Good morning, you guys. Didn't want to trade today just because we had the giant news candle at 5:30 my time. Um, but I did end up taking a trade, literally one micro on my eval. Wasn't gonna do anything stupid today because typically days like this could lose a lot of money. So um, there was this change in state that would have played out right here. That did look nice, but I probably would have gotten broke even after taking these lows. That would have been my first take profit and then smacked break even. But we waited. We ended up sweeping these lows. ES did not, creating an SMT. And then we got a clean V shape, just straight inverse that. And so then I wrote it to this fair value gap. I wanted to write it to these highs, but I didn't get greedy. This candle was showing a little bit of rejection, so I just ended up closing the trade out like right around here. But yeah, that was it. A quick 1-to-1 today. 46 bucks. Not gonna complain. Again, I'm not in this for the crazy P&Ls right now. I'm just trying to tune my strategy, get that win rate up, and not make any stupid trades. So like, I'm probably gonna lock myself out. We'll do that right now. Lock out. I'm gonna come over here. Lock out. So, not gonna do anything stupid today. Gonna wait till Monday, and yeah. A good way to end the week off. We are still down on this account, even though we did take 2 wins yesterday and today. But that is because I'm done risking heavy. Like today, I did end up risking, I think it was like 30-40 bucks. And yeah, so it was a 1-to-1. And yeah. So this P&L, it might take a bit to climb, but I am de-risking a little, like a lot, just so I can tune it down. I hope you guys understand that. I know people say you don't want to take your time with the evals, but I know I want to take my time with this eval, and I want to improve my win rate while also trying to build this buffer back up for my Express account. So, yeah, I hope you guys have a great weekend, and I'll see you on Monday.